Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Y'all can do better than that. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so what grade are you guys in?
Fifth grade.
Awesome. So today we're going to be learning about the human body system. Okay, can you tell me a little bit about the organs that you know that's in your body? Go ahead. Heart. Very good. The heart. Okay, what about you?
I know about the skin.
The skin. And you? The brain. The stomach. Those are all great responses. So our body has several organs in them. And so today we're going to be discussing those important organs and the functions, okay? So let's just go ahead. I have a diagram here for each and every one of you. Just go ahead and you have your diagram in front of you. So as you can see, let's count how many organs we have on this diagram. Go ahead. D's? 10. Very good, D's. I also have here a translation chart that has both the English and the Haitian Creole version of these organs. Okay? So let's go over one of the functions, the first organ that we have here in the function, the skin. Can anyone tell me the skin?
The skin is a large organ, the largest organ in our body that covers our inside of us.
Very good. Good. So the human's body's largest organ, so you guys are very much on track, which covers the outside of the body. So go ahead, touch your skin. Let me see you touch your skin. Yes, I love our skin, right? So let's go to the next organ and the function. So you said brain earlier, so what is the brain? Don't worry. Vous voulez aider? Ok, où mettez aider? Oui. Okay, vous cap dit ça en anglais pour moi? Pas cap dit? Okay, it's okay. Okay, do you want to go ahead and try? Pick a next organ. The heart. Okay, so before we move on to the heart, let's go over the function. The organ, so the brain function is, it's the organ that processes the information, right? It's the command center of the human body. So where's your brain? Touch your head. This is where your brain is located. Very good. So our brain, là, cerveau, lion là, right? Underneath our skull, okay? We need this. We go to school, we're making our brain strong. Right now, we're working our brain, right? So let's go on. You said the heart, right? Dina, ça me colle pour moi? Okay. Kel. So yeah, so that's a good example of what the heart is in terms of, you know, we need, our heart is a part of, we feel emotions, but let's look at the function. Go ahead.
Because I can tell you your brain right now, and you don't have the room to be playing games.
Yeah, the heart pumps blood through the body.
Earlier, and I said everybody get on campus. Did I not?
Okay.
Did I tell you to work over?
Okay. So yes, the heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood through the rest of the body. So our heart, if you take your left hand, right, our heart is on our left side, right? Or underneath right here. Go ahead. I mean, it's hard to feel it beating sometimes, but if you go right here,
right where your
pulse is very good. You're able to check your pulse. And we know if we have a pulse, that means we're living. The blood is pumping through our body, right? Okay, very good. Let's go ahead and let's talk about the lungs. So somebody would like to tell me what the function of the lungs?
Got so much mouth. but nobody's passing.
So,
Takes out carbon dioxide out of your body and it comes oxygen.
awesome. So the lungs, like you say, it pumps its oxygen from the body, it pumps air, let's say, right, or oxygen into the body and releases that carbon dioxide so that we're able to breathe. Everyone, let's try breathing. So boom, the oxygen goes in our lungs and our lungs pumps out the carbon dioxide. You see how that was? So we need our lungs to, again, live. It's a part of our body system. It's very, 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 very important, okay? One more time, let's try that again. Whew. Very good.
And also the people who smoke have bad lungs because their lungs turn black after they keep on smoking and vaping.
You are absolutely correct. That is so correct. If you do not treat your body correctly, you can potentially destroy your organs. You can potentially destroy your organs. So with that being said, like you were saying, when some people they smoke, their lungs get destroyed and then it becomes black. So we don't want that. So we want to make sure that we treat our body, our inside of our body, really well so that we don't destroy our organs. So let's move on, okay? So remember, let's take a look. So go ahead and I want you to count how many organs we have on that diagram. Okay, 10. These organs, okay? So let's go over. Let me see your diagram. Go ahead and fill that out for me, please. Okay? So while you guys are doing that, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys have a moment to take a look at this example chart that I have here. And then you can also, later on, I'll let you take this home and you can color it if you like, okay? So go ahead and take a look at the example chart and finish that diagram for me. Oh, I see that you were already starting. Oh, and you wrote in cursive. That's so beautiful. So, m konen ou pa ka pale bien en anglais, but mwe ou fini nan anglais. Ou fel nan anglais. So I love the fact that you wrote everything in English, okay? Ou kompon ki sa map dit? So, ou mette yo, ou pa mette cerveau, ou mette brain. Ou pa mette head, ou mette heart. So mwen mette sa, okay? So this is the diagram right here. This is one of my ELLs. She speaks Haitian Creole, but she is able to write all of the organs on the diagram in English and in cursive, which is beautiful. You do not have to write in cursive though, okay? All right. When you're finished, just put a thumbs up for me, please. Go ahead and put that thumbs up. Thumbs up. And how's everybody doing? Are we understanding the functions of the organs? Let me see. If you really understand so far, give me a number 5. If you don't, give me a number 1. Or if you're in between, you can give me a 2, a 3, or 4. Okay, I got 2 5s. I have a 4. Bum. Mette 2. Okay, so you put 2. That's okay. We're not done yet. Okay, so we're going to keep on going so that I want to make sure that everyone is understanding the function. So nous pas fini là, okay? So we know the functions of each organ. We know the skin, we know the brain, we know the heart, we know the lungs. What about the stomach? So, what's our stomach say? Yes, the stomach helps break down the food. Oui, c'est au manger, bagala. You know, it takes it. Oui. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
So the stomach breaks down the food, which then gets to the intestines to take the nutrients and help you use the bathroom.
Wow. So he went to another organ, which is the intestine. Very good.
Because the stomach sends down the waste to the intestine and stores the nutrients, and then it helps you
Mm-hmm.
take out the waste.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, that is all great responses. How about the kidneys? Would anyone like to tell me about the kidneys? You want to look at this? Okay, here's your chart. You can go. Go ahead.
When the kidneys have waste, then you send it to the bladder, which is called liver,
Yeah,
which is waste.
Very good. Okay? Very good. Very good. Okay. So let's, for example, so manger, right? Nous manger tout manger, right? We eat D blanc sauce pas, that's rice and beans. We eat legume. What is something else that you eat in your culture? Lalo. What do you eat? Pork chops. What do you eat? Bonantesi. Dili. Tout ça yo bien bien gros. Ooh, frita. I love it. Okay, so we need our intestines to take up, to absorb the nutrients, our stomach to break it down, and eventually it goes, through the bowels and it deposits, right? But without our organs functioning correctly, that's hard for some people, correct? So just remember, everybody rub your stomach. Remember, when you're eating all that delicious food that your parents make, woo, it's going through your organs, okay? Your organs is working extra hard to make sure that your body's functioning correctly to break down the food and to absorb what it needs so it can stay strong, correct? So for the final part of this lesson, I'm going to have you guys make a 3D model with Play-Doh. All right. Okay, so pick one organ, and I want you to go ahead. And which organ do you want to do? Brain? You want to do the heart? What would you like to do? Eyes, yeah? Yeah.
I would like to do the
Stomach. Okay, we're going to have, let's do, you want to make a blue stomach or a white stomach? Or green?
Well, actually, no, I'm going to make a two-pack.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
Just the white first.
Right? Okay, a tooth. Love it. Because our skeletal, our bones, right, that's a part of our body system. No, the green? Okay, here. Nobody getting white. So he already has it.
You on your way out. You on your way out.
You can share. That's awesome.
Stand by the door. Stand by the door.
I'm sorry. Fais avec nail. You can make it with your hand. Okay. So this is, I want you guys to understand that it's important that we make sure that we're taking care of our organs, okay? So you're making the tooth, he's out there? Key organ what there? Yeah, you're making the eyes, you're making the heart. He's out there? No, où do you have brain? We. So make it with this. Stop making it. Yeah, we can faire avec ça. Bien, on coudait. Qu'a fait, ouais, look. Ouais, brain gain ça. Qu'a fait comme ça, ouais. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna make. I'm going to make
Still no work done.
Two kidneys.
Valencia and Malia.
fait deux kidneys.
You didn't do the poetry.
M'a fait deux kidneys. Reine, m'a fait reine.
Do you have Do you, Miss,
Yes?
do you have black?
Non pa gen blan. Pa
Hey,
gen
I
noir.
said stand up. Turn around.
Ma fè dè
Turn
kidney.
around so when I tell you to get out, it'll be easier for you.
Ma fè dè kidney. You guys are doing so great. I love your 3D model. So I did the kidneys. I put a string here. Ooh, let's see. Wow, look at that too that he made. That's amazing. I love it. Who else finished? We finished Fini Brain Lab. Some people. Where's that? Okay, fin. Alright, you guys are doing awesome.
That eyes?
Sorry, go to your seat. And put your head down.
Okay, then afterwards, when we're finished making our 3D models, I'm just gonna have you guys write a little short paragraph. And then, but before we do that, I want you to explain the organ that you chose. Just give me a brief description, and so that I know that you understand, okay? We? Wow, let me show your 3D eye. Look at that. That is so cool.
Okay.
Oh, you added gums here too? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Put your head down. Don't
Look
ask
at
no
that.
questions.
Do you have one, Miss? Miss?
Thank you.
People gotta treat y'all like kindergartners. And y'all supposed to be going to the 6th grade.
Miss?
Look at
Not
that.
right now. Do your work.
Look at the brain. I'm sorry, what did you say?
Do you have one?
Brown?
I'll
My hair brown. Okay, so I want you to just go ahead and tell me a brief description of the organ that you did, the function.
So my organ is the tooth.
Uh-huh.
So the tooth basically does is one of the things that helps you like chew the food
Yes.
so you don't choke on it. And then
Absolutely.
it basically breaks it down, but and then it's once you swallow, which is your throat, and then it sends it all the way down to your stomach to break down the food even more.
Very
Sends your
good.
sense.
Very good. And then your heart, Fini? You're adding the... Okay, and now would you like to explain your organ? Ça says yeah. Explain pour moi. Okay, and you can do no anglais? Do no anglais pour moi. Baga? Not yet? So that's good what you said. So the eyes help us see. Very good. Okay? Now, would you like to go ahead and explain the brain for me? This is how brain fed. Yes. Very good. Yes. So the brain helps us think, it sends commands to our body. So, war brain. Oui? Parce que brain doit aider au fait bagage. Wow, I love this heart. Look at that heart. I see that you know the veins in the heart that help send blood, the arteries. Oh, okay. So this heart needs a little work on it, right? So go ahead and explain the function of the heart for me. Very good, very good. And then later on, I'll collect that little short paragraph. If you can't, so Bakapsel, that's okay. You already gave me your oral description. You guys did an awesome job. Did you enjoy this lesson?
Yes.
Awesome. I'm glad you did. All right, so go ahead and clean up your mess, and thank you so much for being star students. All right.